Hello everyone. Today, we're going to be taking a look at some powerful functions from Google Sheets that you can make use of in Excel. Let's start with a quick rundown of what those functions are and why they're useful. First, Google Finance. With Google Finance, you can look up current and historical stock prices. You can even make a cool chart that shows how the stock is doing in real time. Next, Google Translate is super helpful if you get messages from customers in different languages. You can translate their messages and figure out what they're saying so that you can answer them in the right way. And last, DetectLanguage. Imagine you're a data analyst looking at a bunch of social media posts from around the world. Figuring out what languages those posts have been written in can be a challenge, which is where DetectLanguage comes in. You give it some text and it tells you what language it's written in. To get started, you'll need two things. 1. A copy of Excel, and 2. A Gmail account. You can use an existing Gmail account, or you can set up a test account to follow along with this video. First, you'll need to open a new workbook in Excel. Next, we need to install the ScriptLab plugin. ScriptLab is a powerful plugin from Microsoft that lets you write and run code within your workbook. To install it, go to the Insert menu on the ribbon, click on Add-ins, and then search for ScriptLab. Click on Add to install it in Excel. Once that's done, the plugin will open a code editor. Next, we need to delete the demo code in the editor window. Select all the code by pressing Ctrl+A and then delete it. Then, open the link that you see on screen in your browser and copy the code. Return to Excel and paste the code into the editor window. This code defines 3 custom functions: Google Finance, GoogleTranslate, and DetectLanguage. The functions work by talking to a Google Sheets workbook. Google Sheets figures out the result and returns that to Excel. Open the URL that you can see highlighted on your screen, then make a copy and rename it to Sheet to Excel. Click on the Extensions menu and then click on AppScript to open the code editor. Rename the file to Sheets to Excel. Click on Deploy New Deployment. Change the description to Sheets to Excel Bridge and leave the rest of the settings as they are. Then click on Deploy and allow access. Select the account that will run the project. Click on Advanced, go to Sheets, and then click on Allow on the next screen. Project is now deployed and we can copy its URL. Return to Excel and replace the AppScript URL in the editor window with the URL you copied. Then, change the name of the function library to Bridge. Finally, click on Register. The 3 functions we've defined, Google Finance, Google Translate, and DetectLanguage, are now available. Let's try out our formulas next. In cell A1, enter the following formula. In this example, Goog is the ticker symbol. All retrieves all attributes. 1st January 2023 is the start date. And 10 is the number of trading days after the start date. Press Enter and you will see the stock history from 1st January 2023 and ending 10 trading days after. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.